Hello Netizen, welcome back in a Navy Weekly News. We were greeting you with the treasure highlight about the Navy in week with Mr. Janari, and this is the Navy Weekly News. A semi-cocktail party aboard KRI Bima Suci was held with a strong Indonesian culture atmosphere, successfully bringing the essence of the archipelago into the midst of Shanghai, China's society. Indonesian Navy, who were member of the Kartika Jala Krida Participle Training Task Force, held a cocktail party on the main deck of the high-mast sailing training ship KRI Bima Suci while was docked at the Shanghai Naval Base in China. This event featured various Indonesian cultural performances, ranging from traditional Indonesian dance to musical performed by the crew of the KRI Bima Suci. Invited guests were also treated to typical Indonesian dishes prepared by the ship chef. The enthusiasm of the guests was clearly visible as they enjoyed the warm atmosphere of friendship. Present at the event were special staff of Kasal, Rear Admiral Budi Setiawan, expert staff of the Chief of the Indonesian Navy, Rear Admiral Dwika, Commander of Shanghai Naval Base, Rear Admiral BIP Dahua, Indonesian Defense Attaché to China, Brigadier General Benny Penadea, and Shanghai Naval Base personnel. The Chief of Indonesian Navy, Admiral Dr. Muhammad Ali, received the honorary visit of the Russian Federation Extraordinary and Pleasant Ambassador to the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Mr. Sergei Genevich Tolganov, in the Admiral Room Indonesian Naval Headquarters in Jakarta. The Chief of the Indonesian Navy on this occasion welcomed and congratulated Mr. Sergei Genevich Tolganov as the new Russian ambassador to Indonesia. This meeting aimed to strengthen cooperation between the two countries in various fields, including defense, food and energy security, education and tourism development. One of the important topics discussed what the course plan for the Indonesian students to continue their studies in Russia and increase collaboration in the use of nuclear energy. The Indonesian Navy also expressed its appreciation for the active participation of the Russian Navy in various international activities held by the Indonesian Navy, including the multilateral naval exercise Komodo, International Fleet Review, and the International Maritime Security Symposium, which will be held in February 2025 in Bali. Russian participation in event. This is a positive step to strengthen cooperative relations between the Indonesian Navy and the Russian Navy. And that's our Navy Weekly News this week. Don't forget to keep up our Navy News in Bahasa by subscribing to our channel on YouTube. Follow us in our social media Instagram, X, and Facebook, and keep up supporting us to save the best for our nation. Jawas Pepa, Jaya Mahe, Desi, we are champion. I'm Sergeant Ari, and nice to see you again in Navy Weekly News next week.